Hello all. Right, this one, delivering to sites. What do we expect? So when you pull up, the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to come up to the gate. There might be a man on the gate with a high vis, might be a banksman, that kind of thing. Before you get there, stick on your PPE, vest, boots. If you're not already wearing your boots, I tend to wear mine all day long. It's easier, and a hard hat. Some of them might want glasses. Some of them might want gloves. Some of them want full-length trousers. Maybe some want reflective trousers, but on the whole, it's boots, vis, hat. So you're going to go through the gate. The geezer may tell you where to go. If he doesn't, aim for the site office. Now the site office is normally, they're not normally this big, these sites. This is a distribution centre. We approve of distribution centres there where courier drivers pick up. The site office is normally, you'll be looking for like a couple of metal cabins, or a metal cabin with a couple of metal cabins stacked on top. For some bizarre reason, which I've never worked out, the site office tends to be up the flight of stairs. So you put in the compound, go up the stairs, or just say to someone, mate, where's the site office? Who do I see? I'm going to collect this stuff. So you go upstairs, talk to the site manager, and hopefully the site manager will have a look at the paperwork and go, ah, yeah. Because a lot of sites, they've got different contractors on each one. It'll be like, oh, you're on the electrician site, you're collecting from the plumbing bit, you're collecting from the brick bit, or something like that, and then they will indicate for you where to go. Slowly, 5-10 miles an hour, often hazards on, just take it nice and steady, look around you for everything, you'll get through, you'll get to where you be, and then hopefully, the good thing about sites is it's often fault on, fault off. Particularly, I mean, for your small van drivers, it's probably not going to be a big load anyway. For people like me, it tends to go on a paddock with a fork truck. You're going to need straps because a lot of it is we're just going to put some metal on you, mate. We've got some girders, we've got some bits and pieces, we've got some tubing. You're going to need straps. Also, be prepared to get dirty. I'm dead lucky at the moment because this is concrete, but I remember once I was doing one, it was a multi-drop, and as I got there in the morning, one of the drivers in the 18-ton jumped out in a pair of wellies. I thought, what's he got wellies on for? Soon found out. But they're not scary sites. They're okay. The good thing about them, they're easy to find, but you will find also that you often get more than, so say for example, it's like a housing site, you'll get 3 or 4 in the same area. You might get a Bovis next to a Taylor Wimpey, next to a sort of a Taylor French or something like that. You want to go to the one that's on the paperwork. Otherwise you'll be, no, it's not here, mate, it's the one down there. You can go all around the houses to get there, but they're not like, they're relatively straightforward, nothing to be afraid of. So yeah, let me know if there's any comments, anything I missed, and in the meantime, that's how we do sites. Take care, take money.